Oh, no.
No, I'm good at driving, dude. I've got my race license.
Jeez. Oh. That is insane.
Hear the noise of that?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That is brutal.
That's not brutal.
Just don't kill us yet.
If you go off a bit of a hill like that, you'll probably get like a lot of air. Stop flying.
Won't fly around here too much. Don't worry, I've got my race license. That's scary.
Oh, jeez.
Guys, I thought I'd give you a little treat.
I got a bit more than that.
Yeah, you got a little taste. Make sure you fucking work hard and get it.
Jeez, I haven't been inspired now, to be honest.
That should inspire you, actually. It's a shame you can't do it here, because that fucker.
Yeah.
You just can't even
I can't breathe. Holding my breath.
Listen, to me, I still can't get over the noise.
Yeah.
The noise is crazy. I think all my neighbours hear me calling. Listen to that. Is that not a nice V8?
Best sound I've ever heard.
That is crazy. See, when you're in the city, because you're between all the buildings,
Yeah.
the fucking noise is unreal. It echoes. Or see when you go in a tunnel.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.